Hey guys, it's me, Ulquiorra, and today we'll be cooking. So, what am I gonna be cooking? Aha, I know somebody who cooks well, Orihime. I'll ask her. Let's go! I think she's upstairs. Orihime, where are you?
You scared me!
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. I
am gonna cry.
Yeah, sorry about that. So, let's get on with it. So, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Oh, how do I wash my hands? What's the ingredients anyway? I forgot what Orihime said. Hey, you, do you remember what Orihime said?